Right, let's look at now solving. So the only difference is that we're not factoring it just purely to factor it. We're going to solve this. So we're looking for two values. Again, a lead coefficient of 2, we multiply that by 21 to get 42. And then we're looking for two things that add to 13. With a little thought, I think we could see that that would be 7 and 6, both being positive to make that work. And so we will rewrite this as 2x squared plus 7x plus 6x plus 21 all equals 0. We're going to split that in half to factor it out. I'm going to pull out, looks like only an x to get 2x plus 7. Over here it looks like a 3 will come out, leaving me with a 2x plus 7 equaling 0. And again, this is so critical that these are the same. And so our final factored form would be x plus 3 and 2x plus 7 equals 0. So one of our answers, of course, will be -3. And then the other, we do a quick little solving for when that does equal 0. The 7 goes to the other side, and we divide both sides by 2. By 2. And our answers would be here and here. Now, -7/2 is just equal to -3.5 if you wanted to do that. So solving just means to factor it again and look for what makes the zeros. Let's do one more to give you extra practice. So again, we notice there's a lead coefficient of 2, so it changes things. We're looking for two things that multiply to 14 but add to 15. And looks like maybe 14 and 1 is what it is, isn't it? 14 and 1 are our two numbers. So we're going to rewrite this as 2x squared plus 14x plus 1x plus 7 equals 0. Again, we'll split that down the middle to keep it clean for factoring. I think we can take a 2x, that leaves us with an x plus 7. We can just take only a 1 out here, leaving us with an x plus 7. But even though that felt a little funny, we know we're right because those matched up. And now we can say 2x plus 1 and x plus 7 all have to equal 0. One of our answers, of course, will be x equals -7. The other, we have to do a little bit of solving, so let's solve that. 2x plus 1 equals 0, 2x equals -1, and x equals -1/2. So solution-wise, we get this one at -1/2, and we get this one at -7, and all is good. Good luck with these.